With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So here we have a question. Let function such that given us that 0 to 3 be a continuous function such that integration of 0 to 3 fx dx equals to 3. If I equals to, which is our integral 0 to 3 bracket x fx plus integration 0 to x ft dt dx, then we have to find the value of I. So here I'm going to solve this question. So basically, first of all, I'm going to tell you one thing, that if we have 0 to x integration, I'm solving this part first. So if we have integration 0 to x, okay, and here we have ft dt according to the question, and it is equals to, let's suppose that it gives me some function gx, okay. So on differentiating both sides, I can solve this integration. So I'm going to apply differentiation both side, okay. So I'm applying differentiation both side. So it will look like something this, okay, and here this, okay. Now from here we already know that how to solve this type of thing, like we have integration in the differentiation, so we have to solve this by this thing. So here it will gives me f of the upper limit, which is x, and there should be the lower limit term also, but here we have 0, so it will be 0 only, okay. So that's why it is fx equals to, now on this side differentiation of gx will be written as it is, so it will be g of x over dx. So this is my fx, okay. So I'm leaving this thing here, okay. Now from here we can say that 0 to x ft dt, it is nothing but gx, okay. And on x equal to 3, I'm writing here at x equal to 3, I'm going to put the values, or we can say 3 here, so it will be integration 0 to 3 f of t, because I'm putting 3 in place of x only, okay, dt equals to g of 3, and it will results me as 3 only. How? Let me show you this thing. So we know a simple property. So by property we can replace my variable t with x, okay, in the definite integration. So here I'm just replacing my variable with 0 to 3, okay, and here I'm writing fx dx, okay. And if you see carefully, then it is given us, okay. So here in the question it is given to us that 0 to 3 fx dx is 3, okay. So it will be equals to 3, and it is equals to nothing but g3. So from here we can say that our value of g3 is 3, okay. So now remember this thing. Now move forward. So my I is given me as 0 to 3. Here we have x d of gx over dx. How? Let me show you that if we have f of x here, then we can replace f of x by this thing, because I found this thing over here, okay. You can write this as equation 1. So I'm writing here from equation 1, okay. Now from equation 1 we can write this thing, okay. This is my fx, and now according to the question, plus of gx here, and gx is nothing but, we already assumed that this is my gx, okay. So this is my gx, okay. So I just replacing this thing, okay. So this is gx, and here we have dx. Now I'm giving this dx inside the bracket, so it will be I equals to integration 0 to 3, it will be x d of gx, and this dx will cancel out this dx, you can assume this thing, and gx dx here, okay. Now I'm going to show you one thing simple, okay. So if you see carefully, this is nothing but the differentiation of something. Differentiation of what? It is basically differentiation of x of gx. How? Because by product rule we already know that if we have differentiation of u and v means two functions in product, then the differentiation of them will be solved by product rule only. So I'm applying product rule here, and see carefully, we will get this thing. So first function as it is, differentiation of second function. Now second function as it is, which is my gx, and differentiation of first function. So you can see here, this thing is as it is here. Okay, now I'm writing this thing, it will be 0 to 3, and I can write this thing as d of x and times, we can say, gx. Okay, so now we already know that if we have integration of dx, means if we have variable x here, then the integration of 1 is nothing but x only. Okay, so here we have variable as x gx, so my answer will become x gx. Okay, and limit 0 to 3. Now I'm going to apply the limit, so my I will be equals to, I'm putting 3 here, so it will be 3, it will be g of 3 plus, sorry, minus upper limit minus lower limit, it will be 0 g of 0. So 0 times something is 0, and here we have 3, and g of 3 we already found, it is nothing but 3. Here I found this thing. Okay, so I'm putting the value here, so it will be times 3 minus 0, and finally we can say that from here my I is nothing but 9. So this is the final answer for this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.